Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today we're in Johnson County, Indiana, where we came across this old stone arch bridge. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Located just a mile east of the town of Nineveh is the Atterbury Stone Arch Bridge. This bridge was rebuilt in 1954 and rehabilitated in 2014. Apparently, there was another bridge at this location prior to 1954, although I can't find any records of when that bridge was built. This bridge is about 40 feet long and spans a tributary of the Nineveh Creek. Nothing too special about this bridge, just a beautiful rugged little span that will support automobile traffic for another 50 plus years. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. Today we were in Johnson County, Indiana, checking out this old stone arch bridge. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, travel slowly and stop often. We'll see you next time.